Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day in order traversal and BST. So let's see what the problem has to say. Given an array air of size n, determine whether this array represents an in order traversal of a BST. All keys in BST must be unique. Okay, so it's a pretty simple problem, right? So what is the property of BST, right? So if you see, for example, right, we take this tree. So BST, the left subtree, all the nodes or all the elements in the left subtree will be lesser than the one in the root, right? The one in the root. And all the elements onto the right subtree will be greater than the element greater than the element in the root, right? So when we do in-order traversal, right? When we do an in-order traversal of BST, right? So the in-order traversal of BST will look like this for this tree, right? Will look like this. So in-order traversal of a BST happens to be a sorted array, okay? A sorted array. So the problem, so what they're saying, whether the given array, right? Whether the given array is it the in-order traversal of BST? If it is, then return 1, and if it is not, then return 0, right? So as I said, right, the in-order traversal gives the sorted array, right? The sorted array, the in-order traversal of BST gives a sorted array. So the problem drills down whether the given array is sorted or not. Okay, whether the given array is sorted or not. So the problem becomes very simple, right? So here is a code, right? So what we'll simply check? What we'll simply check if the array is like this, the current element, right, should not be greater than the next element. If it is greater, right, then simply return 0, right? That is not sorted. For example, this case 2 4 1, this is example. And if the current element is 4 and the next element is 1, right, the current element is greater than 1, that means return 0, right? If it is not, if everything is good, then return 1 simply, right? So what will check? Current element air of I, right? Air of I, if it is greater than air of I plus 1, simply return 0. That's what here we have implemented, right? This is a follow we are iterating, and we are simply checking the current element and the next element. If it is greater, then return 0, else return 1. So let's quickly see the code. That's what the code was, right? Will iterate till n minus 1, right? Less than n minus 1, right? And if the current element is greater than the next element, simply return 0, else return 1. The array is sorted. Submit. Okay, it is accepted. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.